Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're here because your Rheem Tankless water heater is showing that frustrating code P1 error in 2025, don't worry. We've got a straightforward guide to get you back to enjoying hot showers in no time. This code typically signals an ignition failure, which could be caused by issues like gas supply problems, a dirty igniter, or even a blocked vent. It's a common glitch, but with a few simple steps, you can often fix it yourself. Remember, safety is our top priority, so before you start, make sure to turn off the power and gas supply to avoid any accidents. Let's dive in. First things first, verify your gas supply. Check that the gas valve is fully open and there's no interruption in the line. If you're using propane, double-check the tank level to ensure it's not empty. This is a quick fix that resolves the issue about half the time. Next, inspect the igniter. Over time, dust and debris can build up, preventing it from sparking properly. Carefully remove the unit's cover, refer to your manual for exact instructions, and use a soft brush to clean the igniter. If it looks damaged or worn, you might need to replace it, which is a part you can order online or from a hardware store. Now, try resetting the water heater. Unplug the unit from the power source for at least 5 minutes, then plug it back in. This can clear temporary glitches and reset the system. Fire it up and see if the code P1 disappears. If that doesn't work, look for other potential problems like blocked vents or exhaust issues. Ensure there's no obstruction in the venting system, as this can cause the error to persist. Once everything is clear, test the unit again. If you've gone through these steps and the code still appears, it's probably time to call in a professional technician. They can diagnose any deeper electrical or gas-related problems safely. There you have it. Simple steps to tackle code P1 on your Rheem Tankless water heater. We hope this saves you time and hassle. If it helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more DIY tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay safe and see you next time.